Welcome to another episode of Self-Discovery. This week, we will be moving straight into the week 7 with the focus, how to rebuild yourself after failure. Stay with me as we work through the journey. Failure hurts, not just because something didn't work out, but because failure often attacks your confidence, your motivation, your belief in yourself. Sometimes it leaves you questioning everything. Maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe I should give up. Maybe this dream was never meant for me. And if you've ever felt that way, this message is for you. One of the greatest misconceptions about successful people is that they never fail. But the truth is quite the opposite. Every successful person you admire has experienced failure. The difference is not that they avoided failure. The difference is that they learned how to rebuild after it. Because failure is not the end of your story. It is often the beginning of a stronger version of yourself. One mistake does not define you. One rejection does not define you. One business failure does not define you. One bad season does not define you. Yet many people allow a temporary setback to become a permanent identity. They stop saying, "I failed," and start saying, "I am a failure." Those are not the same thing. You can fail at something without being a failure. Your identity is bigger than your mistakes. When failure happens, many people try to act like it doesn't hurt. But healing begins when you acknowledge reality. Yes, it hurts. Yes, you're disappointed. Yes, you're frustrated. Yes, you're tired. And that's okay. You don't have to pretend to be strong every second. Ignoring pain does not heal it. Processing pain does. Give yourself permission to grieve what didn't work. Then prepare yourself to move forward. Failure always leaves behind two things: pain and lessons. Most people focus only on the pain. Successful people look for the lesson. Ask yourself, what did this experience teach me? What can I improve? What would I do differently next time? Failure becomes valuable when it teaches you something success never could. Do not waste your pain. Use it. After failure, confidence rarely returns overnight. You rebuild it through small victories. One good decision. One productive day. One completed task. One brave step forward. Confidence is not something you wait for. Confidence is something you build. Action creates confidence. Movement creates momentum. Every small step matters. One of the worst things you can do after failure is compare your recovery to someone else's success. Everyone heals differently. Everyone grows differently. Everyone rebuilds differently. Some people recover quickly. Others need more time. Neither is wrong. Do not rush your healing because someone else appears to be moving faster. Focus on your own journey. Starting again does not mean starting from zero. You are starting with experience. You are starting with lessons. You are starting with wisdom. You are starting with strength you didn't have before. The person who failed yesterday is not the same person standing here today. Growth has already happened, even if you cannot see it yet. Many people remember the setback, but they forget the comeback. The setback may have knocked you down, but it doesn't have to keep you there. History is filled with people who failed before they succeeded. People who were rejected before they were accepted. People who struggled before they thrived. Your setback may simply be preparing you for a stronger comeback. Listen carefully. You are not finished. You are not broken beyond repair. You are not disqualified because you failed. You are not too late to start again. Failure may have wounded your confidence, but it does not have the authority to define your future. Only you decide whether failure becomes your ending or your turning point. If life has knocked you down, take a breath. Learn the lesson. Gather your strength. Stand back up. And keep moving. Because your future is not determined by how many times you fall. It is determined by how many times you rise. If this message encouraged you, subscribe to Adura Talks for weekly videos on motivation, healing, self-discovery, purpose, and personal growth. And remember, the strongest comeback stories begin with people who refuse to stay down. Your comeback starts today.